Welcome to School Report, a glimpse into the classrooms of St. Lucie County Public Schools. School Report provides the opportunity to share with the community academic and extracurricular activities of students in our schools. And now, here is School Report.
Today, our fifth graders competed in a lights, camera, cook-off. On Tuesday, we had our fourth graders compete in the same cooking challenge. This year, one of our Sunshine State Reader books was Lights, Camera, Cook. And so our students who read that book had an opportunity to take a comprehension quiz or to create a thinking map showing that they have gleaned comprehension of the book. And by passing, that entered them into the cooking contest. They then met with their teams, came up with their own recipe, utilizing some of the fresh produce from our Palm Pointe gardens. And then today they got to show off their cooking skills with their created dish. And they're looking to see who the champion of Lights, Camera, Cook-Off is.
We present to you is called chili haystacks. From our gardens, we have fresh picked lettuce, ripe red tomatoes, and diced carrots. Our main dish is made with red kidney beans and fresh ground beef, with tortilla chips that have been topped with creamy butter and salt. And to conclude, we have topped the chili with fresh green cilantro to all come together as our chili haystacks.
Very nice.
Our team prepared chicken fried rice. Within our fried rice, you can find a variation of different vegetables and sauces and many delicious things that you have to dig in to find. We had carrots, corn, chicken, cilantro, we have scallions, we have a lot.
We topped the outside of our dish with a drizzle of salt and pepper.
Bon appetit, and we hope you enjoy our dish.
Pizza with fruit. Our ingredients for the pizza include mozzarella cheese, pizza sauce, garlic, spices, and from our garden we have celery and basil. We also included black olives. For the fruit salad, we included peaches, apples, mandarin oranges, carrots, and raisins.
Very nice. Team number 4 is serving you chicken quesadillas made with Palm Pointe fresh peppers, onions, tomatoes, served with handmade guacamole and fresh puree, black beans, and brown rice. To top it all off, we have Kyle's special secret sauce to accompany the meal. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Dish is named the Super Pie, and so is our team name. It's a shepherd's pie, and it's made with cheese, onions, tomatoes, garlic, ground beef, mashed potatoes, taco seasoning, and salt, with cilantro on top. And we also have a side salad with 2 pinches of salt, lettuce, green onion, carrots, black olives, tomatoes, and Italian dressing, and also with cilantro on top.
Homemade extra cheesy baked ziti. It has finely diced fresh onion, tomato, green pepper, and mushrooms, ground beef seasoned with garlic, salt, and pepper, baked ziti garnished with basil and oregano, with golden brown melted mozzarella cheese on top, and fresh garden salad with tomatoes, mushrooms, onions, cheddar cheese, topped with a drizzle of ranch and croutons.
Very nice.
Beautiful.
Another interesting dish.
Today we are presenting a dish made from the TWISTY'S. We made tacos with seasoned chicken, lettuce, cheese, and guacamole, made with a creative recipe of cilantro, tomatoes, avocado, and onions. We also added sour cream if you want to add some. We also put a side of tomato and cilantro. We hope you enjoy TWISTY'S tacos, always putting a twist on your dish.
A chicken Alfredo lasagna layered with mouth-watering pasta, mozzarella cheese, and chicken. And the seasonings that are fresh from our garden are oregano and basil, and it's all sprinkled with salt and pepper.
As a side, we have some garden fresh olives, lettuce, carrots, tomatoes, and bell peppers, topped with croutons and Italian dressing. Please enjoy.
Our judges, they are working together to talk about some of the scoring. They're going to be working with our district staff, tallying up our points and totals for the teams.
Boys and girls, you just did a fabulous job. Our conversation while you were busy working was about the level of teamwork that we saw with each one of your teams today. And that is so important. Just as Ms. Fazzolero said, when you get out into the real world, into the workforce, who knows, some of you might become chefs.
The difference between second and first place was 1 point. 1 point. Woo. In second place, let's give it up for the chicken fried rice group. Chicken fried rice, come on down. Come on down, I've got a little something for you guys. 1 point, this is amazing.
the chicken Alfredo dish.